happy to be present here in Jaipur International Exhibition. We are the only OEM who is displaying the actual electric vehicle, which is the need of hour. And you are knowing that the geopolitical situation has put us energy security into a very big question mark ahead of India. This kind of vehicle is a perfect answer. Ekai has now become a very known name in the electric vehicle fraternity. We are come a long way in terms of buses. Entire Rajasthan is with us, so we have already started deploying our electric buses. Now we are happy to introduce our 255-ton electric tractor trailer. This is a pure zero emission truck we are talking about. On my right hand, if you see, it's a 6x4 10-wheeler 55-tonner tractor trailer. We have been running this vehicle at few of the cement companies and steel companies in various routes as of now in 3 states. And this one is under homologation, a 6-wheeler 4x2 version. A quite interesting product lineup we have here, and we are happy to be in Rajasthan, which is the hub of tractor trailer market so far, to cater to the industries from cement, likes of steel, because Rajasthan happens to be the highest cement manufacturer state across India. So on this product front, let me brief you that this is not the first time that we have brought this vehicle here. Though exhibition wise this is the first display, and there is a lot of enthusiasm since the morning we are seeing. Almost 15 odd fleet owners and operators we have spoken to so far. And looking at the appeal and the kind of offering, they are quite fascinated. And in fact, just before 10 minutes, one big fleet owner from Delhi offered me that you should bring this truck immediately to conduct a trial on one of their routes in Delhi. So we'll be planning. So that kind of response we have generated in the first day itself as of now. We are working with few big logistics operator who operate their vehicles into cement factories in Nimbaheda area, in Pali area, and we have been working with them since long. So these customers are actually service providers for the likes of Ambuja, Ultratech, JSW, and few other cement companies we are closely working with. So we will be deploying these few vehicles to give them a confidence that this is the only Indian company who has built, designed, developed, manufactured the entire truck into India itself. There is no direct import. Even software part, which is the most difficult part these days, if you look at the advanced electronic components, usually you see India lacks in having the software IP rights. I am happy to say and confidently confirm you that the software of this program is completely in-house developed. There is a ICA Connect, our own digital software platform, which is available across our all vehicle range, and so with these two trucks also. So range anxiety to little extent it has relieved, and which is why we have been quite enthusiastic to take a trial on these applications. You talked about tip trailer. We have started our tip trailer trials in Madhya Pradesh at one location. So essentially it's a 32 cubic meter tip trailer. We are working with one of the Coal India transporters, and very soon the results or outcome of those trials will be out, and therefore we will go for the deployment from July with those customers. Now sidewall, we already are working with the likes of various trailer manufacturers across Pune. There are Black Diamonds who is spread out of Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan. A lightweighting concept has evolved because it has become a necessity kind of thing for EV vehicles like this, and therefore we are able to work out a good economical solution with not much compromise in terms of freight per trip. So with that concept we have started already aggressive on the trials in cement application as well. Application wise it's slightly different. Most preferred one, if you look at the conventional tractor trailer industry, 4x2 is obviously preferred because it offers a higher payload per trip, and you save on tire because it has one axle or tire less. So it's a tire life wise it's a economical one. So very soon we will be bringing this truck also. It is currently under homologation our engineering trials at Pune.